Tonight we're going to try Trader Joe's roti with Thai red curry. The roti is pictured down here. It's the flaky layered flatbread from India. Roti. It's pronounced roti. The Thai red curry is a spicy vegetable red curry in the picture here. And that's all that is in this package. 3 of the roti and a packet of frozen red curry, Thai red curry. And this product is actually a product of Thailand. Excuse me, and it is very spicy. So it says on the back, a traditional Southeast Asian dish. We recommend serving roti with the curry in a bowl and the roti flatbread to the side. Tear off pieces of the roti to scoop the red curry and enjoy. And it is delicious. So I've had it that way, but it's just not quite enough food for somebody like me. So what we're doing tonight is we're going to add rice to this meal. We're going to make a pot of rice for one person. Raita. Raita is an Indian cooling off dish, I call it, with fresh cucumber and Greek yogurt. And it's a great accompaniment to any Indian dish or Pakistani dish because it cools it down. Just on the side, you can dip into it. You can dip your bread into it. It's always served on the side, and you have to order it. If you're at a restaurant, Indian restaurant, you order it separately. Never comes with the meal. So let's try this tonight. We'll just jazz it up a little bit. This is my take. This is my hack on Trader Joe's roti with Thai red curry. Okay, after 5 minutes at 400, we're going to turn over the roti. The roti is a flatbread. We're just going to turn it over. Put it back in at 400 for another 5 minutes. The rice is done. The raita is ready to eat on the side. This is going back in for 5 minutes. The peas and the olive oil are simmering nicely. We've got the raita. Okay, we're going to take out the peas of the oven. The roti is in there and almost done. We're going to turn off the oven, 400. Take the top off the rice. And then we're going to put the rice on top of the peas here. What I do is I like to cut around like a circle around the rice. Just cut a circle around it like that. And it'll just fall out of this bowl into the green peas, like that. And then we'll take a spatula and we'll just incorporate it on top of the peas. The peas look beautifully browned in the olive oil. Just like that. Don't have to be too fussy with it. The raita is right here. It's ready to go. So now all we're going to do is open up the bag of the Thai red curry. It's all been defrosted in the water. We're going to open that up. And then drizzle it over the rice like this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. So you've taken a very basic dish, the roti with the Thai red curry. You've added peas, rice, a full meal, and raita to cool it off on the side. I like to eat it with chopsticks.